Hello everyone, I have today used to do something and used to doing something. Let's see the difference in these two examples. Number one, I used to drink green tea. I used to drink green tea. This means that something happened regularly in the past. I used to drink green tea. That means I don't drink tea anymore. Okay? I used to. The second one, I am used to drinking green tea. I am used to drinking green tea. This means something is happening right now or in the present. Okay? I would like to drink tea. Where's my tea? Thank you very much. What about you, Mansur?
I used to play soccer and now I am used to playing video games.
Very nice. Play soccer in the past and you are used to playing video games. Thank you so much.